Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Sarah Sky Folds Some Stuff. So, thank you for coming along. Now, I just wanted to show you my drawers. I've been doing this kind of folding for about 4 years now since I read the book, and this is kind of what I've adopted. Up here is bras, shorts, socks, underwear. In here, I've got my jeans on the left, my riding pants in the middle, and then my leggings on the right. So it's pretty simple and it's easy to see. And that has been going 4 years strong. So there we go. In this drawer, I just have like extra stuff. So scarves and this pair of beautiful pajama type pants and some tank tops. And then in the bottom, I'm going to show you that not everybody has to be perfect and that this is my pajama drawer. So on the left, I have my like winter pajamas still folded, but these are my summer pajamas and I wear them regularly. So I come and I take them off and I just throw them in the drawer and it's done. So let's get started. Here is a pair of running shorts, and to fold a pair of running shorts, you just do the normal thing. You fold it in thirds. Then with running shorts, you want to make sure that you fold it from the bottom to the waistband, because the waistband is kind of what gives that firmness to it when it stands up. So it keeps it nice in your drawers. Then I've got this little skirt, and again, kind of the thing you do in all Marie Kondo folding is you start with that rectangle, so thirds. Here, then I fold it in half because this is really thin material, and then I go ahead and fold it twice, and there we go. It doesn't want to stay right there, but also, you see when you have it in the drawer that there are other things around it that support it. Next, we have this little tank top. So it's a little different than t-shirts because it's a lot more simple. Please excuse the cars, I'm sorry. So again, into your thirds, you want to do your long rectangle, and then I usually bring the bottom over the top, and then I flip it and do that, so then I can fold it into the thirds. That will give it the strength to stand up. So there's that. Next, I have a sports bra. So sports bras, really simple too. What do you think I'm about to say? What do you think? Thirds? Yep, there it is. Fold it into thirds. And then what I do is I fold the little straps down and then just in half. And because my sports bras are actually kind of thick, that works just fine, especially because they go in that drawer that has a bunch of stuff in it. So it keeps it contained. Here I've got some leggings, and leggings are just like the pants. So here you do the sides together, bring the legs up, and then there's just like pants. Bada bing, bada boom. Attention. So I also wanted to show you this quick way. So say you have like pants on the floor, you can fold them standing up. This is how I do it. This is how I often fold most of my pants. So just flip it over your arm, kind of line up the legs a little bit, and then with your arm in there, you just roll it into that third spot, roll it, boom, you're done. Like, takes no time. It's so easy. I think it's quicker than folding my pants any other way. So I tend to just do this. It's easy. And there it is. Perfect. Thanks for coming on over. Hope you have a great day. Bye.